Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I will make another Valentine's theme nails as the last nail design entry for February since it's the last day of the month. So as usual, i-prep muna natin yung nails, i-push back yung cuticles, and then gumamit ako ng nail drill para malinis lalo yung area, and then roughen up the surface using a hand file. As you can see on the thumbnail, this time hindi ako gumawa ng traditional red and hearts theme nails, and I went for a black theme to make it different kasi it's fun to be experimental with designs, and since naisipan ko gumawa ng black set, gusto ko siyang gawing matte kasi ang ganda ng effect ng matte on a black polish. It looks very sophisticated kaya I'm thankful na meron na akong matte top coat ngayon kasi I've been using glossy top coat ever since I started. Also, for this set, gusto kong itry ulit gumamit ng dual forms. It's really out of my comfort zone. Ang konti pa lang na nagagawa kong videos na gumamit ako ng dual forms. Some say it's the easiest way to form an extension, pero sa akin, it's the hardest. I don't know the right amount of polygel to put inside, and minsan di ako makapili ng right size for the nail. Pero this time, I'll try to make it work, hoping that I won't make too much of a mess. So, ito yung ilalagay ko sa thumb. Ipa-place muna natin siya evenly sa form. Di ko alam if masyadong marami ba yung nalagay ko. So, ipa-place ko muna siya. Aligning first the cuticle part and then lightly pressing it down to the whole nail while cleaning up the sides. I remember with my first polygel kit, may kasama siyang parang clip to keep the dual form in place, so I'll try that. Pero in doing so, ang daming na-squeeze out na polygel and I think it would be too thin for that length, so I had to start over and clean that whole nail. So di ko na gagamit yung clip, I'm just gonna press it down lightly kasi dumidikit naman siya sa nail, and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. Once cured, tatanggalin ko na yung form, and I think that nail looks good, so magpa-proceed na tayo sa ibang nails. Gumamit ako ng pink polygel as a base kasi ang dami kong pink polygels and paubos na yung clear and white ko. So, instead na gumamit pa ako ng clear or white polygel, pink na lang yung ginamit ko kasi papatungan naman natin siya ng black polish later. After doing all of the nails, mag-rub tayo ng alcohol to remove the sticky layer. Ginamit ko yung leftover alcohol, and then we're gonna shape the nails using a hand file. After filing and buffing the nails, mag-a-apply na tayo ng black gel polish, making sure to cover the whole nail ng polish to hide the color pink base polygel. For the accent nail, since ginawa ko siyang clear nail, maglalagay tayo ng nail art. I will write XOXO in a sloppy handwriting on the whole nail using a black gel polish as well. Actually, ganyan lang talaga yung handwriting ko. Kunyari, design na lang yan. After applying the gel polish, mag-a-apply naman tayo ng matte top coat. In applying this, also make sure na makover yung buong nail kasi pag may na-miss kayong part, the glossiness of the black gel polish can be seen. Maganda siya if full matte siya, so make sure nyo na makocover nyo lahat. Unlike sa iba, lalagyan ko naman ng glossy top coat yung accent nail para ma-highlight yung design and cure that for 60 seconds. I also decided to add more Valentine elements to it, such as hearts. So, gumamit ako ng glossy top coat para gumawa ng hearts sa matte nails. Lastly, apply cuticle oil and that's it. So here are the nails. The matte looks so beautiful. Let me know what you think kasi for me, I really love it. I think the length is perfect as well as the shape, and yung contrast ng matte black sa glossy hearts is very cool. Feeling ko I'd be using a lot of matte in the next videos kasi ang ganda niya tingnan. Also for a change kasi I've been using glossy finish ever since I started, so this matte looks really new to me and it looks so good. So as February comes to a close, I hope the next month be nice to all of you, manifesting a month full of good news and blessings. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at The Happy Fingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.